What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my vlogging. Guys, I know you're gonna be saying to yourself, how come this channel is a car channel but I'm doing exercising? Okay, well guys, as you know, I am a DIY kind of person. I mean, I do everything for myself. I like to build things and fix things, and that's what this channel is all about. Mainly car, but it's also anything that I do by myself, creating stuff. Then, I just want to share to you guys. All right. Yes. So the other day I needed to do some work on my muffler, and I decided to buy a welding point. It's a little one, and the first thing I decided to do with it was to make an exercise machine. This is it. This machine is called a leg press, and to be honest with you, I never was gonna video it and stuff, but after I started making it and thing, my girlfriend said, why not just do this content also and share it on the YouTube? And I did that. Alright, so this machine, this machine, I cut up the iron already, do my measurement and everything and start the work. But what I'll do, I'll just share with you, what I've done already so far, which is weld up the upright, the slant, the base, and what left to be done now is to create the sleigh that you push your foot onto, and then the seat that you're sitting to, and the weights and all of that. So stick around, guys, and you'll see just what I did. So my machine is almost done. As you can see, the sleigh is on, the footrest is on, my seat is also done. I'm a lover of red and black, so as you can see, it finished in red and black. Well, my weights, I don't know what I'm going to use for weights yet. I'll probably go and check out the store to find out what's the cost for the weights, like a 45 pound. I can buy two, I don't know. I'll check that out. But yes, guys, what do you think about the machine so far? Babe testing out the machine, seeing how smooth it is. Guys, you know what? I went and checked out the weights for these leg press. Trust me, I think I'm gonna have to DIY this too. Alright? So guys, we're making some weights. Yes, this is another DIY again. I went by the place, and trust me, it's a lot of money for those weights. And I decided to just buy a bag of cement, buy some sand, and this is what I'm doing, making my own weights. I don't know what the weight's gonna be like, but this is it, guys. So guys, this is my leg press.
DIY?
DIY. Tell me what you think about it. Right now I am pushing up to about 80 pounds. I would have loved to have it up to 100. However, those two weights that I make from concrete, each of them weigh about 35 pounds. 35 pounds to be exact, because I actually weighed them. And so that you have 70, right? And then I have my two small dumbbell, which is 5 pounds, which that makes another 10 pounds. So I'm basically leg pressing 80 pounds. And I could have taken some more there, but I went and I checked out the weights and the cost of weights, guys. You don't want to hear. Yeah, so I decided to make my own weights from concrete, and as you can see the process, it wasn't too hard. Get myself a bag of cement, buy a bag of sand, wash sand, and there I have it. Now, if I do this a few sets per day or night, as now is night and it's cool and it's just before I go take a shower, it's pretty good on my leg, right? I can also do
one leg.
So suppose I want to do one leg, I can take, I can put one foot out and decide to do one leg like that. And trust me guys, this is a lot on one leg. Right, so tell me what you think about my homemade leg press, and if you think this is something that you'd want to make for yourself.
You can go ahead and do it.
I will put the description in the I will put the detail in the description, measurements and all. And if you ever want to do it yourself, then it's easy. It's just a follow through and a determination to do whatever you like. Right guys, so yeah. And usually these things come, you make them with a handle where you can hold while you're doing that. And when you finish your set, you can, lock it with the handle. However, I didn't do that. I make a pinhole onto my run bar, and basically when I'm done, push my pin through, take it down to that position where it stops, and then I can easily get out like that. So guys, that is it. Yeah, so there you have it guys. I like red and black, and so I finish it in red and black. I painted these weights, right, and I wrapped and I do all kind of thing, but that's it. That's it for it guys. Now babe, she loves it. She tells me that she want to push more than that on it.
Yeah.
But I'm telling her that, listen, do this a few times a day, 10 or 20 a set, and you'll be fine. Yeah, there's another thing. She bought this online. It's what do you call this, babe? A treadmill?
Walking pad.
Walking pad? Yeah, and she just got it a day or two days ago, and she's enjoying it. It goes up very fast. So basically you can drag on it or you can walk on it. You can walk as slow as you want, you can walk as fast as you want, and you can get it up to drag speed. Right now it is at 4. I don't know if the camera can pick up that properly, but it's at 4, and you can drag in. You can be dragging on that right now. And as I said, you can lower the speed and you can walk on it to whatever pace you want to walk. It shows you some other details there, like your calories, your heart rate, and stuff like that. I don't even look at it, I tell you the truth. I don't really get into it yet to see what is what, but it tells you how much minutes you run for or walk for, stuff like that. But yes guys, this is just keeping fit, and I know it's not anything about cars, and the channel is basically about cars, but as this is DIY, you know, I decided to just share it with you guys. So thank you for watching, and give me a like, say something, comment, whatever your opinion, if I did something wrong or if I should do something different. Yeah, comment guys.